Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. For making this kind of hair accessories, you require to make flowers from foam sheet. So this is the sheet which is available in the market, any stationery shop, or it is also available online. I will provide you link in the description box. So it is available in the pack of 5. So I have only one color, so I am managing it because of the lockdown situation. Then you have hairband, clip, 2 types of scissor. This scissor will give you this kind of shape. If you don't have this, it's okay, we can go with simple one. Glue gun, fevicol and pearls. So any kind of embellishment is okay for that. So I cut this foam sheet into square pieces like this, same size. Then after that you will cut it like this. Getting this? Like this. So this is hot one. You just press it like this for a few times, few seconds, then go like this. Just press it. Now take a glue, or you can have a glue gun. Just I made these 5 flowers, very smaller one, so it looks very beautiful for this hairband. So let it dry for some time because fevicol will take some time to dry. I've cut this round shape piece from the sheet. So this is rose. So these are our accessories for kids. This is with the bigger one and small size flowers. So whatever your requirement, you make it like that. Similarly, this is with the smaller one, this is with the bigger one. Smaller rose flower, bigger rose one. You can attach it on the bow as well. Clutcher. You have hairband for your kid like this. With each flower of different color, you can have it multicolor. I have only one color, peach color, so I am making use of it. You have one more option. You can make use of acrylic colors for painting this after cutting, and then you can have different color flowers as well.